I'm Captain Quetell. I'm a United States Army Reserve officer with a current assignment as an assistant professor of military science at the University of Utah. I'm pretty much from around the world, so my dad was in the Army, so we moved around a lot, but I call Syracuse home. So I've been asked to answer the following question. How have I used problem solving and creativity in the Army? That's a difficult one to answer because every single day I overcome problems and the solution is sometimes more creative than others. But for a good story to tell you, my most recent deployment in Afghanistan, for reference, I returned home about 7 months ago. As things were closing down in theater, we started to lose a lot of the amenities that we take for granted here stateside. In this case, it was laundry services. Normally, laundry is done, at least on the basis that I was at, by a contract service where you drop off your laundry, 2 or 3 days later, you pick it up, it's taken care of for you. Once that contract went away, we were left with a bucket and soap to do our laundry, which isn't exactly the best way to get it done when you have other things to focus on overseas. So that's really brought down morale of my soldiers. So I took it upon myself to hunt down a washer and dryer. The task was daunting, and I almost gave up because I didn't think I was going to be able to find them. Till one day, I saw a bunch of Polish soldiers walking onto their Polish military compound with laundry bags. So I struck up a conversation with one of their officers, and it turned out they had a laundry facility on their compound which had an extra washer and dryer that they were willing to sacrifice in exchange for energy drinks. Energy drinks are a form of currency overseas. The bartering system is huge over there. So, long story short, I coordinated an entire shipping container filled with energy drinks and Pop-Tarts in exchange for a washer and dryer that they delivered and set up for us. Out of state, my soldiers' morale skyrocketed. I earned the nickname Mr. Clean, and I made some lasting friendships with our foreign partners. That's my story. Happy Veterans Day, everybody.